Hey guys, if you're looking for how to register for Bank of America online banking, then this is the right video that you have come up to. At first, head over to Google and search for Bank of America. After that, just click on the very first link that pops up. Then, what you're going to do is you see the option called Enroll. Just click on that one. And once it loads, you have to just fill out all of the information that it asks you to. I'll show you the steps right here. So after you do the first step and click on continue, it's gonna ask for your email number. Make sure it's connected to your bank account, and then it's gonna ask for the verification code. Just provide them and then click on submit. After that, it's gonna ask you if you agree or not. You have to click on that and then finally just press on submit and you'll be ready to go, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.